Hi guys, so in this demo we will see about the data analysis for this small set of files. So these are all the example files I have taken for this demo. So here you can see I have a mix of files. So this one is a corrupted file. So if you open this file in SolidWorks, it will throw an error. During the data analysis, it should provide a proper result. So here you can see, so it is a corrupted one with the size of 1 KB. So and then we have few files with the same part number. Let me check. So here you can see the document number is 00001 and the base plate also having the same number. So other parts are not having the document numbers. So this is for the duplicate document number check. And then we have one component with the revision. So let me show that which component having the revision. So this drawing file have a revision A. So it should export with the revision as yes in the output Excel format. So I will just run this exe and choose the vault. Then I will hit the login button. I have logged in because I have already logged in into the Explorer. Then I will browse the Excel file. So this is the sample Excel format which only consists of the file path. So I will show what is the exactly inside this file. So this is the template that I am trying to import now. So it just consists of all the file paths of the file. So here I will import this Excel file. So once I imported that, I am just clicking the analyze button. So at the back end, it just open the files in SolidWorks and do the analysis and provide us the result in the grid view here, as well as we can export that result into the Excel format once it was generated. So the analysis has been done now. So here you can see the files. These are all the columns. File name found in path. Broken links. If the file contains any broken links, it will show yes. So currently the broken links are tested for assembly and the drawing file. And this is one of the corrupted file that I have shown you at the beginning. So you can see the corrupted file clip. It was showing us yes. Then file naming. So here the file name which contains spaces or underscore, which consists as an incorrect naming right now. Then the document number. So those files with the document number attribute is empty, shown as yes, and two files we have the document number shown as no. Then document revision. So revision we have only on the drawing file, that will show us no here, and then the remaining files are showing empty revision, that's why it showed yes. Then the duplicate document number, two files having the same document number. Then duplicate file name, so none of the files having the duplicate name here. And the family of part error, so none of the files having those error. And then read only files, all the files are in the checked in state, so it was showing here. Then the drawing file is linked to more than one 3D file. So NA, these are all the part files and the assembly files. Only one file is a drawing file, and yes, it is associated with multiple part files or assembly files associated with it. So once it was done, we can export this into an Excel format. So I can choose this path. So the report was successfully exported. So then I will close the form. So this is the file that has generated now. I'm just opening it. So here you can see, we'll expand it. It consists of file name found in path, broken links, corrupt files, incorrect naming, and all other analysis. So we can enhance this if we want to include anything. So that's it for now. Thank you all.